just worked out, and then I don't know if Oliver is like allergic or got a reaction to a certain cat food. Like we're still learning like what works for him and what doesn't, and it's been trial and error, you know. And I feel bad, but there was TMI if you don't like to talk about poop, but I'm a mom, this is normal stuff. There was diarrhea all over the litter robot, like inside of it, outside of it. It was a lot. So after I worked out, Justin and I were having leftover matzo ball soup, and he was all like, oh, after all my calls, I need to make sure that I clean the litter box. When I heard that, I know he was gonna do it, but I was like, I'm already about to shower, but before I do, let me just do that. So I did that, and it looked like a crime scene of diarrhea everywhere. Anyways, long story short, I think Oliver's tummy doesn't like salmon, so we won't give him any salmon formula kind of cat food. He chicken and turkey seems to be fine, so I'll do that from now on. Anyways, I just got an Amazon package of like these little baggies, and I wanted to show you. So Liam is in middle school and he has 7 teachers, and he says, Mom, Dad, I think the best gift I can give my teachers are things that they actually need, and that would be an Apple charger. And I was like, what? He's like, yeah, my teachers, they keep losing the Apple chargers because all the kids keep taking them and they keep going missing. And I think it'd be so thoughtful if I gave them all an Apple charger. So here we are. I bought these little baggies, and we're gonna do Apple chargers for his teachers. I didn't get the name brand Apple charger or Apple. We don't even really we don't have Apple phones. We have Google. Anyways, hopefully this is good enough. And of course, like little knickknacks here and there, maybe some candy. But 7 teachers is a lot of teachers, my guy. Jakey has 1. Oh, and then also, can I share something? I made gift baskets for my personal trainers. I had 2 main ones, and then there was a guy that trained me at least 2 times. I didn't want him to feel left out, so I also made him a basket, but I found out he no longer works there, and so I took it back. I took it back today because we found out today he don't work there no more. So let me show you the gift basket that I made. Anyways, it's really simple. It's just one of these, and it was like in cellophane, you know, and wrapped in a cute little bow, all of that, but I took it out already because I took the card away. I had some cash for my trainers as well because they work really hard, and they're like my teachers. You know how like we spoil our kids' teachers? Well, it's important to spoil like your teachers too. Like if you have a piano instructor, a trainer, like for me, it's my trainers, and so I see them like all the time. They're part of my like almost daily, not daily, but you know what I mean, like my day-to-day schedule, my life. They enrich my life. They make me stronger. I'm so much happier. Like they have made my life so beautiful. And so I wanted to give them like a really nice little gift. So I got this at Costco. You know, I got these at Costco too, little snacks. So this has like chocolate and, girl, I really don't know what's in here. Just chocolate and candies and a mug. So yeah. And then I got them all a Bath and Body Works soap. Different kinds, and then some chocolates, and then cash. And then one of my trainers had a baby, and so I bought like little zip up, sleep up thingies for his baby with this inside too. Yeah, but yeah, that's what I did as gift baskets, and I'm gonna do similar for Jacob's teacher, similar for our mail lady. Our mail lady is gonna get spoiled the heck, because let me tell you, I've been bragging about our mail lady, but we have a long driveway. Like it's like not like California, I've never seen driveways like this, but in Minnesota, I heard like it's normal. But like it's a long driveway, and to take the trash, it's quite a walk. And she like will drive her post office truck with one hand, and then like hold on to one of our trash bins. We have like 2 or 3, and she'll like carry like roll one in. I saw it on the Ring camera. And I've been noticing that she brings it in all the time, like consistently. And I'm like, you really don't have to do that. She's so nice. I made her one of these last year, our first year here. Not gonna stop. If there's anyone She deserves the love. And the teachers and the cross guards. Oh my gosh. The cross guards are busy, you know, like directing. So what I bought them was Amazon gift cards. That way they could put it in their pocket and keep directing traffic, you know, because I appreciate them. I see them all the time with my babies. And so, you know, they protect us. When they see me, they're like, oh, I saw your son, he was over there. And then when I pick him up and they'll open the door for Jacob, it's so sweet. Like, anyways, if you possibly can, love on those that love on you, and love on those that need the love, and love on those that do not have access. This is definitely the Jacob. You got couches to sit on, but you like to do this, don't you? Eating olives. Oliver's just looking at the squirrels again. His daily routine. I have never had a cat that would like sit like this. Or I don't know what this is, but I've never had a cat do this. I think he's comfortable though. So cute. I made some blueberry muffins and sprinkled lots of sugar. Do you see that? Look who came out. Bob is losing a little weight, but he's healthy overall. I think it's just, I don't know, maybe getting older, but he's like completely healthy. Just getting older, you know. Hi, Mr. Bob. It's so nice to see you guys. Dang, Oliver, you over there bigger than Bob now. Hi, Bob. Look at my beautiful boy. He's just an old man living his life. Hi, sweetheart. You doing good, Baba. We so proud of you. I know you miss your brother, Sunrise and Charlie. You got this, dude. You got this, the cutie pie. Hi, I love you. Oh, my Christmas kitty. He's gonna go drink the water under the tree. That's his thing. This guy too. Hi. Hi, cutie. Hi, cutie. Oh, I love you too. I know you're trying to get fed, but it's not dinner time. It really isn't, and you know it too. I know you know. I don't blame you for being such a hungry boy. I get it. Hello, friends. It's the next day. And I was just looking through old videos. I saw my old reading, like my old psychic reading, and the psychic said I was gonna make a group of friends here. Yeah, I think that's interesting. And the psychic did say it would take time. I mean, I did make a group of friends living here. Wait, not in like the same group, but like a bunch of different groups and different, you know, neighbor friends, and then Amy from the gym, and then all my gym friends. I consider them my friends, not just acquaintances, because I see them more than anyone else. You know, we got our friends Javier and Bridget with their kids. We did make a group of friends. That's so cool. Yeah. Kind of sad because at the time Sunrise was meowing a lot in the background. I miss them. I miss them all the time. I like wearing this for working out and also for lounging about because it's so comfortable. And it comes with pants. I'm about to go get Jakey right now. But yeah, it's good for working out. I wore it when I was working out one day at the gym. My workout buddy was like, I like this outfit. You look like a walking plum. And I'm like, thanks. Yeah. I got one for Dee. Just the sweater, because we always buy each other sweaters for Christmas. I got her the cutest, is it Adanola, Adanola sweater? Because I see a lot of gym girlies wearing it on social media. And you know Dee, my BFF, she a swole girl. She work out a lot. And she likes to wear sweaters. And so I got that for her for Christmas. But, no, for her birthday, which was November 24th. But for Christmas, we're matching. I hope she likes this color. It's like my color obsession right now because I'm trying to, you know, enjoy burgundy after all the crazy burgundy stuff that happened in my childhood with the burgundy carpet and all of that. Remember I told you the story? Yeah, anyways. Yeah, let me go pick up Jacob right now. And I'm so happy because yesterday, the cross guard lady that always like opens the door for Jacob when I pick him up, I saw her and I gave her a gift card for the holidays instead of like a big gift to carry because, you know, like it's not like she can do that while she's like, you know, with the traffic and stuff. So she can just put it in her pocket. I wanted to get her heated gloves or like a heated scarf because I seen that. But I think a gift card would be good because she can get both. with the gift card if she wanted. Anyways, gotta go pick up my babies. And today is a Cub Scout meeting. And then yesterday was Liam's Boy Scout meeting. And then tomorrow is a free day. And then Thursday, and then there's piano, and then there's movie night, and then there's Hanukkah. It's gonna be a great week. Hello friends, good morning. I feel like I'm losing my voice, but I feel fine. I'm getting a haircut. I'm so excited. I booked like 2 weeks ago. I found this hairstylist on TikTok. Her name is Samantha. She works at Barber, and she has the layers that I really want, and so I'm really excited. Justin's taking me. Thank you to my man. He brought his laptop so he can still work. Look at my hair. I love it. Like all the layers. I will show you later, but I love it.
I would be too intimidated to.
Oh, shut up.
I'd be like, damn.
You're so filthy. But I love it. She is so nice. Her name is Samantha, like I mentioned.
I like the bang.
Yeah, I love this one. Oh my god, I love all the layers. I'll show you later. Sir, calm down. We are here parked in a vehicle
with a little clip in the back.
Exactly. That's what I asked, because that's his thing. I don't know if you can see the hair, but lots of layers. I asked for a butterfly haircut and she did it. She did it. Like, I love it. We're here at this place called Mañana. It's an El Salvadorian place, pupusas. I asked for a large. Like, I'm so excited. It's horchata, but like, this is when I asked for large. This is what I need.
That's what you want.
Our food came. Is it good?
Fire. Wow.
Oh, it's good. We got plantains too, and yuca fries.
I think this is better than that place in California.
Better than what?
Place in California.
In Cali? Oh my gosh. You know what? First bite, kind of.
No,
yeah,
for
for
real,
sure. Yeah, officially our favorite Salvadoran restaurant. I didn't realize we don't say Salvadorian, it's Salvadoran food, right?
Yeah, and we were talking about, like, there was some places in California that we used to go.
Yeah.
And I thought those were good. This just 10x all those, like, man, every single thing.
And the salad was yummy.
The salad too. Oh my god, it's like kind of like a coleslaw type salad.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Something about the beans though. They add. Oh my god, they add chicken bouillon in it because I can taste it.
Man.
It is so flavorful. I've never had flavorful refried.
Same. I was just like, this like seemed homemade, not out of a can.
Gosh.
Like it was fire.
You don't understand. Like the flavors. It was so yummy. So, long story short, we gotta drive out.
Yeah.
For some good food. We gotta drive out to St. Paul to get a good haircut for me. And every 6 months when I get my haircut, we're gonna eat there. I thought it was really interesting though, because when we were paying, Justin asked for the check and she's like, 2 or 1? I've never, like, we haven't had that in ever.
I can't remember the last time anyone asked us that.
We used together. We locked in.
No, here's the most generous interpretation of that.
Yeah.
We look so young, we're still dating. So, see? So that's what I'm saying.
With
right?
them grays? with those grays?
That's all I'm saying. Yeah.
Oh my god. And we got our wedding ring.
No, see, it's your new haircut. You just look so youthful.
Oh, sure. You know me, when we get home, I'm gonna change into my jams. Look at my hair. I love it. I mean, these are not jams. These are stuff that I'm gonna wear to pick up Jacob. But look at my hair. She did a great job. Her name is Samantha. I found her on TikTok, like I mentioned. I'll put her link below. If you're in Minnesota, she's worth the drive wherever you live. I live 40 minutes away, and I went, and it is amazing. It's called Soul Fresh Salon Barber, and it's in a building, and then when you book your first appointment, she gives you a text message, a video on how to walk and find her building. It's so cool. Anyways, I'm so happy I found her, and like she's so good. Like, you get a whole like shampoo, and you get a haircut, and she blow dries it again, and then she will cut it again one last time just to like look through the hair. $50. I thought the price was so good. Like, I'm shocked by it because, you know, I'm used to California prices. And like, I remember Justin, Jacob, and Liam would get a regular haircut every 2 weeks, $40 each. So it's such a good price. Like if she charged more, I wouldn't even like flinch. Like she's so good at what she does. I just want to bring her lots and lots of business because she's awesome, but not so much that I never get to book with her again. But yeah, I want her to like do really well, and I'm sure, I know she is, because I checked her schedule when I was scheduling. She was booked and busy. But if you need a new hairstylist, I have to be honest, I searched for a hairstylist that was a person of color that knew how to do Asian people's hair, you know, and she knows what to do. Hello friends, it's the next day. I forgot to end the vlog, and you know I'm editing, and that's why I'm like, oh yeah, let me go end the vlog. I've been really into this lip liner. If you see a lip liner, it's probably this. It is Makeup Forever Universal Earth. Yup. Something about it. The older I get, I notice I've been really into like darker lip liners. Like I just feel like I lost my lip color as I've gotten older. Let me just wash this hand because now it's like that. But anyways, I'm wishing you a wonderful day. Thank you for watching this vlog. My hairstylist is so awesome. And wow, I'm just happy I found her. Anyways, have a great day, friends.